In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate section in GoDaddy website. Duplicating a section is a fast way to reuse a layout you already like, perfect for keeping your design consistent without rebuilding blocks from scratch. Let's walk through it together from a fresh start so nothing gets missed. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy, then click the official GoDaddy website in the results. Once you're on the site, sign in to your account. Use only your own credentials and keep them private. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that as well so you can access your dashboard. After you're logged in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name to open the menu. From that drop-down, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything associated with your account. Scroll until you see Websites plus Marketing. That's the site builder we'll use to make the change. Find the website you want to work on and click Manage. This opens the site's control panel, where you can get into the editor. Next, select Edit Website. Give it a moment to load the editor view. Inside the editor, navigate to the page and scroll to the section you want to duplicate. Hover your mouse over that section. When you hover, you should see the section controls appear, usually a small toolbar or set of icons tied to that block. Look for the three dots icon, sometimes called the Overflow or More Options menu, and click it. This reveals additional actions for that section. From the list, choose Duplicate Section. The editor will instantly create a copy, typically placing it right below the original. You'll now have two identical sections with the same layout, images, and text. A quick tip: once the duplicate appears, you can safely edit the text, images, or settings in the new copy without changing the original. This is great for creating consistent service blocks, testimonials, or feature rows across your site. If you don't see the three dots at first, make sure you're hovering the section itself and not just an individual element inside it. The menu appears at the section level. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can duplicate any section you like and then tailor the duplicate to fit its new spot on the page. It's simple, precise, and a huge time saver when building out a cohesive website.